In this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Android not finding Bluetooth devices. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So when it comes to your Android device connecting with other Bluetooth devices, and if that is not possible, the problem is either with your Android device or your Bluetooth devices. In this video, I'm going to help you troubleshoot your Android device and make sure that it's not the Android device that is at fault here. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your settings, and then I want you to look for device care, which is about halfway down or a little bit more than halfway. It's right here. Tap on that. And from here, I want you to scroll down and go to diagnostics, which is right here. Tap on diagnostics, and then I want you to click on phone diagnostics, which is right at the top. And from here, you can test a bunch of different phone features and make sure that they actually work. So from this massive list, I want you to find Bluetooth, which is at the bottom here. So tap on that and then click on allow and then turn on. So now your phone is manually checking if your Bluetooth works as it normally should do. So here you can test it again and again and again as many times as you want. And if everything comes back normal, that means that your Bluetooth on your Android device is indeed working. Now, if your Android device isn't able to find the devices around you, whether they're available or already paired, you are either not following the proper process to connect these devices together, or the Bluetooth devices that you're trying to connect to your phone are not working. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to fix Android not finding Bluetooth devices. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.